Hi, I'm Jen and I'm here at Mahamudra Centre in the Coromandel Peninsula, which is the very north of the North Island in New Zealand, and we're here for our tree planting day. So this is a day where we've all come together as a community to share and to collaborate on planting these trees on our retreat land, just a little bit over in the corner of our retreat land there. And we thought it was going to be thunderstorming today, that was the weather forecast. So today we're planting 175 native trees, and we're working in collaboration with the Colville Harbour Care, who grow up these trees and then they brought them here for us to plant.
My name's Beth and I've been, I work for the Colville Harbour Care nursery. So we've run a little nursery in the village. We've been going for 4 years. So the aim is to plant all of these, all in around here. So my technique is to cut a little H. So you do like 1, 2, and then you go across the middle, and then it's quite easy to open up a hole. And you don't need to dig a big deep hole for them, just enough to put them in. Just stick it in. Do a little dance, and there we go.
So this project that we're doing here today, this tree planting day, it's part of the Global Tree Initiative, which is an international collaboration, and it's a vision of Tenzin Osel. So Tenzin Osel was inspired to create this project by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who's always encouraging us to do what we can for the environment and to take responsibility for what we can do in our local communities.
In this spot where we're planting trees is a wetland. So 90% of New Zealand's wetlands have vanished. In New Zealand, our wetlands are our most diverse terrestrial ecosystems, and globally, wetlands are an incredible carbon sink. So planting trees, and especially in wetlands, is really beneficial on a global level. I think I enjoy getting other people involved and seeing how good it makes people feel to plant a tree. Like, it's a really simple act, but it's really powerful for people, you know, because I think it's you can really feel that you're giving something back to the planet in a positive way.
What do you enjoy about planting trees?
Oh, watching it grow slowly. It just sort of creeps up on you, and then suddenly you've built protection, or you've got some bushback. It's fabulous.
It's making a difference, regenerating native bush in New Zealand.
Planting trees, I think, is one of the major things we need to do now.
Trees are really great to capture the CO2.
At the same time, it just creates this gorgeous environment for us to relax and be in.
Perhaps you become more aware of leaving something of benefit of the generations to come.
The idea also is to really inspire and encourage everybody around the world. So it doesn't have to be something groundbreaking or amazing. We just do what we can in our communities. And if you need some support or some resources, you can Google a Global Tree Initiative, and you'll find that almost every country around the world, it has a national coordinator, and they can inspire you or give you resources or ideas to make this happen. So join us and be part of something pretty cool. Thank you so much.